Hi there, today I'm going to talk to you about 21st century skills and why they are important, especially in this ever-growing technological world we live in. To start, what is digital literacy? Digital literacy is defined as the ability to use information and communication technologies to find, evaluate, create, and communicate information, requiring both cognitive and technological skills. So, information, tools, instructional design, and social all have to do with digital literacy. So, information, how to find, sort, and evaluate the good and not so good information. And then tools, and finding the most appropriate tool for the task that you need. Instructional design, allowing you to understand and use this process to analyze and bringing together the needed info and tools in order to create the exceptional learning experiences. Social, allowing you to have the ability to appropriately share and communicate all kinds of information. So with that, I think there are 7 21st century skills that are really important. Critical thinking would be one of them, and with including in this would be problem-solving skills, reasoning, analysis, interpretation, and synthesizing information. With so much information out there, it's really hard to be able to really find what you want to learn, and being able to narrow down your search would be a good skill to implement. And then research skills and practices, also allowing integrative questioning could be really important when writing a research paper and teaching your students the difference between a biased and non-biased research article. Creativity and allowing for students to really let their imagination and innovative personal expression to really shine through is really important, especially in the digital age, and maybe would help reduce or eliminate possible copyright problems, or maybe even come up with a new way of presenting something or whatnot. And then perseverance, so being able to know your limitations and working with that to maybe better your skills, and so you get the best outcome possible. Oral and written communication is critical because we're either listening to something online like a podcast or a video, or you're reading something that's online. It's important to be able to do this well. Leadership is important because when you're collaborating different ideas across a virtual workspace, it's a good idea to have leadership skills in order to really enhance the best outcome. Information and communication technology literacy, and using media and internet, which would help you use that data and interpretation and analysis, especially if like you're doing computer programming or anything like that. So generally speaking, the 21st century skills concept is motivated by the belief that teaching students the most relevant and useful, in-demand, and universally applicable skills should be prioritized in today's schools, and by the related belief that many schools may not sufficiently prioritize such skills or effectively teach them to students. The basic idea is that students who will come of age in the 21st century need to be taught different skills than those learned by students in the 20th century, and that the skills they learn should be reflected by the specific demands that will be placed upon them in a complex, competitive, knowledge-based information age, and technology-driven economies and society. So with that being said, I think that these 21st century skills should be implemented into your classrooms.